Hello everyone. As most of us know, tomorrow November 5th is the US presidential election, one of the very important event in defining the global momentum. So first, let's discuss those in detail along with our regular pre-market report for today, 4th November 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just for everyone's benefit, at present the US president is Joe Biden and he is a Democratic Party. Like how in India there are two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Similarly in US also they got two chambers, one House of Representative and the second Senate. And at present the Senate majority is Joe Biden's Democratic Party and the House of Representative is controlling by Republicans. That's the present scenario. And tomorrow the US election is not just for presidential election but also for all the 435 House of Representatives and 34 out of 100 senators. So please note, tomorrow every eligible US voter is going to cast two votes, one for presidential election and one for House of Representative, and in addition some state eligible US voter going to vote for senator elections as well. Here for this present election, from the market perspective, the least influential one is the presidential election outcome. I mean, market already know about Trump and already Democrat are the ruling government, so market prepared for both Kamala Harris and Trump winning the election. But what is really important for the market is who will win in both chambers, so that will create the volatility. And generally market prefers and wants the split government regardless of the presidential outcome. Other than this, there are 5 possible outcomes. 1. Kamala Harris wins the presidential election and Democrats controls both the chambers. I mean, as per the opinion poll, this is the least possible outcome and this outcome market don't like at all. If this is the actual outcome means, then I think this will crash the US market and deteriorate the global momentum heavily, and this is serious negative for large cap tech and traditional energy stocks. However, there are some positive sectors like renewable energy, healthcare and infrastructure. Then the second scenario, Kamala Harris wins the presidential election but Democratic Party lost control over one or both chambers. As per opinion poll, this is the most probable scenario and at present market consider this as okay and is running positive on the expectation of this scenario as the election outcome. Whereas this outcome is negative for some infrastructure and some green energy stocks. Third scenario, Donald Trump wins the presidency and Republican Party controls both the chambers. As per opinion poll, this is the second probable outcome and it's a dream outcome for the stock market because Trump promised more tax cut but not so good for all the climate related stocks. Then the fourth scenario, Trump wins the presidency and Democrats controls either one or both chambers. From the market perspective, this is exactly like the second scenario. Market is okay with this but as per opinion poll, unlikely to happen. Then the final outcome, presidency election tie or disputes in the election and the delayed outcome. This outcome market will not like and it will increase the market volatility and likely will increase the gold price. So these are the 5 possible outcomes and out of this, let's ignore the presidency tie or delayed outcome. And in the next remaining 4 possible outcome, market don't like only one. Kamala Harris winning presidency as well, Democratic Party controls both the chambers. Then all the other 3 outcome, market already prepared for it. So maybe in some case, profit booking might also be possible. So as an Indian investor, I think this is what we need to know. If I missed any, please let me know in the comment section. Now coming to our regular stuff, last Friday night US government released all the important jobs related data. If required, please pause and have a look. Unemployment rate haven't increased at all and it comes as in line with the expected value. Then the average hourly earnings increased, which market don't want. But at the same time, because of hurricane, strike in US and also because of election, as per government data, the number of new job addition on the October month is crazy low. Only 12,000 new jobs added in whole US. In my last 2 years of pre-market, I haven't seen this level of low number. This low number now increased the probability of interest rate cut this coming November 7th. So last Friday, US market closed further positive. Dow Jones up by 0.69%, S&P 500 up by 0.41% and Nasdaq increased 0.8%. In case of VIX, compared to Thursday night, last Friday, it dropped 5.5% and moved around 22. So global momentum is okay, not bad, but for some reason, Indian ADR and GIFT Nifty is not that positive. I mean, as it is, it was mixed. One banking and one IT stock was negative, whereas one bank and one IT closed positive. However, if we calculate the arbitrage, almost all the stocks, including the Reliance GDR, all indicating 1% negative. Similarly, GIFT Nifty on Saturday morning, it closed at 24,317. Because it's very early trading time, it's difficult to judge the premium. But if we assume the historical data, for now it's indicating gap down opening of 70 to 100 points. Then about oil, there was a report that Iran is preparing a retaliation, which in turn increased the oil price by 1%. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading around $70 per barrel and Brent crude traded near $74 per barrel. So that's all about the global market. Now let's see the India specific info. After Thursday monthly expiry, last Friday, Indian market traded for 1 hour. Even on that 1 hour trading also, FII net sold the shares for 25th consecutive day. Regarding the value, it was around 210 crore rupees and DI also net sold for roughly around 380 crore rupees. Despite the selling, Nifty managed to close positive 100 points. But still in the future index market, FII is having a long short ratio of crazy low value, just 0.31. So possibly we can expect some short covering today. As a summary, US market closed positive and global momentum is okay. However, Indian ADR and GIFT Nifty is not reflecting that. In addition, this week, US election, Fed interest rate decision, all expect to increase the volatility this week. So recommend to be cautious. Regarding the things to look out, today, Amara Raja Energy, Bata India, Sun Pharma, Exide Industries, Gland Pharma, IRFC, Hudson Agro, JK Paper, Raymond, Tube Investments are some of the major name companies' earnings results are scheduled to release today. Regarding macro, today Japanese market will be on holiday. Then during our market hours 10:30 am, India's manufacturing PMI data and around 2:30 pm, Eurozone manufacturing PMI data is due. Then in the night for US, September month factory orders data and 3-year note auction are some of the important items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, last Friday Nifty opened near 100 points gap up and remained positive throughout the session and closed just above 24,300. Thus on the daily chart, Nifty formed a doji candlestick pattern indicating indecisiveness among buyers and sellers and also indecisiveness about the market's further trend. At present, Nifty is below the 10, 20, 50 and 100 exponential moving average, which is a negative sign. However, on the positive side, RSI momentum indicator showing a positive crossover, and on the weekly chart, it snapped a 4-week losing streak and defended the previous week's low, which gives some level of hope. So we can expect the range bound consolidation between 24,000 to 24,500 zone. Until a decisive break on either side, we cannot define the trend. Then in case of Bank Nifty, it opened 80 points gap up and closed positive around 51,650. Thus on the daily chart, Bank Nifty formed a small bullish candlestick pattern with a minor upper shadow climbing above the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is a positive sign as long as it sustains above it. Additionally, Bank Nifty traded within the previous day's range. Hence, in Bank Nifty case, it has been consolidating within a range of 50,500 to 52,500 zone, and similar to Nifty, a breakout beyond this range is required for confirming a new trend. On the weekly options front, the maximum call option open test was at 24,800 strike, followed by 24,300 and 25,000, with maximum new call option rating at 25,000 strike, and then 24,400 and 24,900. 24,900. On the put side, the maximum open interest was at 24,300 strike, followed by 24,200 and 24,000, with maximum new put option writing at 24,300 strike, and then 23,700 and 23,800. Thus, from options data, 24,300 is expected to be a key level to watch, with support at 24,000 and the weekly resistance at 24,800. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so that it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.